Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set app restriction during sleep mode. So go ahead and do a swipe up on your phone and tap on settings. Then scroll on a bit and tap on modes and routines. From here, you will have the sleep mode. You can tap on it. And once you turn on sleep mode, you will have applications that will not work during this mode. Simply mean that you will not be disturbed. So if you scroll on a bit, you will see stay focused. You have the do not disturb. Now, if you tap on that, you can come here and you can tap on the restrict app usage. And these are the applications. As you can see, I have a few of them here that I can add, or I can delete these applications here. I can add them and I can restrict and I can remove them from the list, right? So those applications, if you want to exempt them so that you can use those applications while you're in sleep mode, you can simply go ahead and add or remove application from this list. So let's say during the sleep mode, I would like to have, for example, my Gmail working. For example, you can tap on Gmail and it will be added here, right? So once you had the Gmail here, all you have to do is just simply click on done and it will be added. Keep in mind, there are some few applications that are set by Microsoft to work within this mode that you're not able to remove. And these are like the clock, the Play Store, the wearable, the message, and the phone app, the settings as well. So these applications are applications that are exempt, right? Meaning that they will work during this mode. If you add additional applications there, those applications will be exempt. In order to add or remove any applications, you just need to tap on them and then click on done. And to remove them back from this exemption, you can just simply tap the minus on the upper left of that application and then tap on done.